Point Blank English. If you've ever wanted to sound more natural and confident when speaking English, today's video is for you. We're exploring the shadowing technique, a powerful and proven way to boost your fluency quickly. What is the shadowing technique? Shadowing means listening to spoken English and then instantly repeating what you hear, matching the speaker's voice, speed, and emotion. Imagine becoming the speaker's shadow. You'll improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, and build a confident foundation for fluent speaking. Why use shadowing builds real-world listening and speaking skills by training both ear and mouth together. Makes speech automatic and speeds up responses. Breaking the habit of translating from another language boosts confidence. The more you practice, the less afraid you'll be of making mistakes. Steps for effective shadowing. Prepare your materials. Choose short stories, dialogues, or videos spoken clearly in English. Keep a transcript or script handy, at least for beginners. Active listening. Listen once to grasp the content and meaning. Notice pacing, stress, and tone, focusing on any tricky sounds or words. Shadow aloud. Play a sentence or short segment, then immediately repeat it, mimicking the speaker. Match pronunciation, speed, and emotion. Don't worry about perfection. Use the script. Read along with the text if needed, especially at first. Gradually try shadowing without the script to strengthen listening and recall. Self-review and feedback. Record yourself shadowing and listen to the playback. Compare your speaking to the original, noting differences. Daily practice. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Increase difficulty as you gain confidence and skill. Practice example. A day at the airport. Try shadowing with this beginner-friendly story. My name is Anna. I am 22 years old. I live in a small town with my mother and my little brother. I work in a bookstore. I like my job because I love books. But one day, something happened, something very different. It was a rainy morning. I woke up early and checked my phone. There was a message from my best friend, Maya. Listen to each line. Repeat it aloud right away, and try recording yourself for instant feedback. Extra educational activities. Shadow real conversations, interviews, or movie scenes for variety. Read children's books aloud and compare with audiobook versions. Join online language exchange groups and shadow with a partner. Tips for success. Speak out loud and clearly. Even if you feel shy at first, start slow, then build speed as you improve. Focus on sounding natural, matching the speaker's rhythm and emotion. Set small daily goals to work on different skills. Thank you for watching Point Blank English. Remember, the shadowing technique can truly transform the way you speak and understand English. Just 10 minutes a day can lead to incredible progress. So stay consistent, keep practicing, and you'll soon speak English comfortably and confidently. See you in the next video. Please stay with us. Do like and subscribe my videos